I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Holy C trap beats. Make sure you follow my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel on how to make Holy C trap beats. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll start making Holy C trap beat now. It's me, B2G, the beat maker. I'm back today with Holy C trap beats. Today, I'm going to tell you my favorite tempo. My favorite tempo how to make beat is 130 BPM. That's my favorite tempo on how to make beats. I usually make my beats 130 BPM is my tempo on how to make beats. I'm going to be making Holy C trap beats. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified immediately. Now, I'm just going to click on my FL Studio, but before clicking on my FL Studio, you put your cursor like this, right click and press open, you will open your FL Studio. But for now, I've already launched my FL Studio. You just need to put your cursor like this and just click into your FL Studio like this. That's it. Now, I'll start programming my Holy C trap beat. This is my channel rack and this is my mixer. This is my playlist. I'm going to click on add here. Click on my plugin called Citrus. I'm going to left click on this empty channel here. I'm going to left click and hold the left click button. Turn the mouse wheels to channel 5. Put my cursor on my Citrus plugin. Right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my Holy C trap beat. I'll first of all program the first two bars, then copy right to bars number 8. As you can see, this is how my Holy C trap beat is going to sound. So after programming my first two bars of my Holy C trap beat, I'm going to left click and hold the left click button, highlight to the left. But another way you can still press Ctrl and A and just press B several times or double press B to copy right to bars number 8. So I'm not going to press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8. After doing so, I'm not going to tweak and arrange my beats in another way. I'm going to then arrange my beat in another way. After doing so, I'm going to program my bass melodies. So my bass melodies. I'm programming my bass melodies now. After programming my bass melodies, I'm going to click on add and click on FL keys. Another plugin. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn my left click button, the mouse wheels up to channel 6. After turning the left click button or like left clicking and pressing the mouse wheels, turning the mouse wheel to channel 6, I'll then put my cursor on my FL keys, right click and press piano roll. After doing so, I will start programming my North C trap beats, my bass melodies using FA keys like this. After doing so, I'm going to tweak it. I'm programming my North C trap beat now. Make sure you follow along as I'm going to program my North C trap beat. I'm arranging my note on my North C trap beat. I've already finished programming my second melody of my North C trap beat. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat. I'm just going to put my cursor on my hi-hat, right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my hi-hat now. I'll just program my first one bar of my North C trap beat hi-hat, then copy it to bars number 8. As you can see, it's my one bar, and it's ending at number 2. So I'm going to left click, highlight to left and press Ctrl and B. Right to bars number 8. I'll start programming my snare now. I'm going to put my cursor on my snare here, right click and press piano roll. As you can see, I've programmed my snare by putting my snare at the starting of bar 1, then at the ending of each bar. That's how I'm programming my snare. Today I'm creating a different bounce. After putting and arranging my snare, I'm just going to create a different bounce like this by double putting the snare. After doing so, I'm going to left click and hold it, drag my kick into channel 1 into my mixer, right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my kick now inside the bars like this. That's how I'm putting my snare. The simple step to arrange your snare. As you can see, I've arranged my snare in order. I'm going to click on add, click on this icon, turn the boss knob right up. I will start mixing my beat now. On my beat channel 5, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add the Fruity Parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to click on a Fruity Limiter. On slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity Compressor. On my second beat, which is in channel 6, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity Compressor. On slot 3, I'm going to add a Fruity Soft Clipper. That's it. On my hi-hat, which is in channel 3, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a Sound Woodenizer. On channel 4, which is my snare on my mixer, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a Sound Woodenizer. That's it. So I'm going to click here, swap left and right like this. I'm swapping left and right like this by clicking here. I'll reverse the polarity by putting my cursor where you say reverse polarities. I'm going to reverse it like this. Like this. After doing so, where I've written part 1, I'm going to put my cursor here, right click and just click here, split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio, around the corner of my playlist into my FL Studio. So I'm just going to click on my click into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click into my playlist, click on my snare, and click into my playlist, click on my citrus, click into my playlist, click into my FL keys, and click into my playlist. After doing so, I'm going to put my cursor around 9 at the ending of bar 8. Left click and hold it, highlight to the left, and press Ctrl and B several times to extend my beats. After doing so, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to allow the space for my intro. I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat again around 79. After doing so, I'm going to click on my citrus. I'll start extending my beat around my outro. Click on my FL keys, extend my beats. After doing so, I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I'm going to add an automation on my hi-hat by right clicking and click on create automation. On my snare, which is channel 4, on my mixer, I'll right click and create automation clip. I'll then spice up my beats by adding a hi-hat at the ending of my intro and here, and at the starting point of my outro here. Now let's listen to my trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make this trap beat. Make sure you stay tuned for another video on how to make another trap beat. I'm going to see you next time. Just subscribe so that anytime I drop my new videos on how to make beats, you are going to get notified immediately. Thank you so much.